Hello viewers, thanks for watching our videos. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. In this session, we're going to discuss increment decrement operators. What is that? The increment decrement operators are plus plus and minus minus. So here, two types of are there: post increment and pre-increment. Pre-increment means first it will increase and after that it will going to assign. Post increment means first will assign, after that it will going to increase. So increment operators will be useful for just increase the same variable in same sentence. So public class lab, open that and write main method public static void main string box. So here we're going to define int a is equals to 10. Then we're going to print this system dot out dot print ln, that is a. Then we're going to print a plus plus. What does that mean is, so a is equals to a plus 1. That is the meaning of a plus plus. First it will going to assign a, after that it will going to increase. Increment in new line. So first it will be a is equals to 10 here. So a is equals to 10 here. Then after come to next line, in new line here a is equals to 11. Then here a is equals to 11. What you write is, so here we're going to print system dot out dot print ln, that is a. So here a is equals to 11, but here a is equals to 10. After this, the increment will be post increment will be first it will going to assign a is equals to 10. After that it will going to print. Then we'll check what is this value. See, exactly it came as 10 and 11. Then we're going to check for this. So here what happened is a is equals to 10 here. Then after coming to this, here a is equals to 11. Then we'll define int b will be equal to 100. Then so we're going to print system dot out dot print ln, that is b here. Then what we'll do is b minus minus. Then what you'll have is control bit. So what are the values for this? 10, 11 and 100. Here b is equals to, here b is equals to 100 only, but in new line here that b is equals to b minus 1, that is 99. So it is 99. Then what we can do, now we are going to check what is the operations with plus plus a and minus minus b. Then it will be same. So here it will be same. Then what is the which functions you should not use as increment operators? Then int x will be equal to 10 10. Then can you increment like this or not? Then we're going to write system dot out dot print ln, that is x. Now we're going to check is that possible or not. Now we're going to check what is the possibility or not. So here it's showing that unexpected. So x plus plus and it should not be expressed like this. This is not at all there. Only one time increment, post increment is there. Then int here int x is equals to 10 is there, can you increment for numbers here only the variable declaration? So variable initialization, variable declaration is that unexpected. So this is also not possible. Then can you check, can you find final int x is equals to 10, then can you do operation of x plus plus or x minus minus? Is that possible to increment final variables? Then we'll check. So it's showing that cannot assign a value to a final variable x. So final variable cannot assign some values to the final variable x. Why? Because it is constant. X means that is 10. 10 plus plus we cannot do. Only variables can be done. Our next one is, so int a is equals to 10, then int b is equals to a plus plus, then what are the values of this? System.out.println a and b. So a and b, what are the values for this? We are assigning increment to this b. So a is equals to 10, that is obviously. So here what happened, a and b are actually, so first here a is equals to 10, for b here first assign b is equals to a, what is the before increment? So b is equals to a, that is, or b is equals to 10, that is a plus plus means this is post increment. Post increment means first assign value then increment it. So first assign b is equals to a, that is b is equals to 10, then after that in next line post increment, so b is equals to 10 post increment, then after that in new line here a is equals to a plus 1. Post increment means first assign then increment happen, then increment. First assign then increment, that is here in new line here a is equals to a plus a plus 1. This will happen. For that only a is equals to 11 happened, but b is equals to 10 only. Then what we'll check now it is so here we're going to change same values with pre-increment. So first a is equals to, first a will be increased. So pre-increment means first increment then assign. Pre-increment means first increment, then assign. So here b is equals to 11. Here we'll get b is equals to a plus 1. So b is equals to 11. In pre-increment first it will going to increase, then it will going to assign. So b is equals to 11 here and a is equals to also 11. So we can check this is 11. We are going to see what is the output here. Obviously it's showing that 11. Why? Because first it will going to increment, then increment after that assignment. So here showing that it is incremented to b is equals to a plus 1 and a is equals to a plus 1 obviously. So that is the way to write the programs. Then again you can check another one also. Int c will be equal to 10, then int g will be equal to c minus minus, then it will going to print or not will going to check. So c and d, So here obviously C will be 9 and D will be 10. Then we are going to check this. So here 11 11 before that, but here it is a C minus minus means it is assigned first 10 and after that decrement happen for this. If it is like this, minus minus, then what will happen? Right. First it will going to decrease and then assign. That is the pre-increment operations. Next one. Our next one is byte b is equals to 127. Then b is equals to b plus 1 will be happen or not. We saw this one already in byte b is equals to. So now we are going to check what will happen for this. We cannot assign int to this. Why? Because possible lossy conversion from int to byte. Then what will happen is byte b plus plus. So b plus plus post increment will do. Then what will be happen is, so it is the post increment 128, that is minus 128. 128 will not come. Then b minus minus 126. 126 is came. Then for this plus plus, then what will happen? We are going to check for byte values. So it is also minus 128. Then minus minus means for this 126. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe.